Hello, my name is Tom Kent, president of Radio Free Europe, Radio Liberty. We're a private news corporation funded by the U.S. Congress. We provide independent news in 25 languages for 23 countries where free media are absent or only still developing. So far in 2017, our journalists have been targeted no fewer than 34 times across the countries we serve: in the Russian Federation, Ukraine, Belarus, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Macedonia, and elsewhere. These incidents have included physical assault, imprisonment, arbitrary detention, interrogation, stalking, verbal attacks, court convictions, online threats, and seizure of equipment. These attacks have been aimed at our journalists because of the work they do, and sometimes at their families. The perpetrators of these attacks are almost never held accountable. In the overwhelming majority of cases, state officials have acted with impunity, and non-state actors have gone unpunished. Our reporters are the ones who have been treated as criminals and targets. Journalism is a public service. In the countries where we work, that service, too often, means taking grave personal risks. November 2nd is the International Day to End Impunity for Crimes Against Journalists. To mark that day, Radio Free Europe, Radio Liberty pays tribute to its journalists and their family members who are in prison and under threat: Mykola Semyona, Stanislava Seyev, Sapar Mamed Nepeskuliyev, Sultan Achilova, and Aziz Yusupov. We call for respect for international standards and commitments so that journalists everywhere can do their jobs safely and securely and with full protection of the law as they bring news and information to the people who need it most.